much have all of the foam installed. There's a couple of places where we've chosen not to put foam in just because we have some other stuff that we got to do. But we have all the wiring done. So there's a light, and then we have, this is where the bed's going to be. So we have 2 lights, one right there, one right there. And then we have another light up here. This is going to be kind of the kitchen area. And then there's going to be 2 more lights right here. The bathroom is going to be in this section. And then what we did is we wrote kind of down what our electrical panel is going to look like. Porch light, bathroom, under the counters, the fan, living area, light, underglow. And then we've also did the phone chargers. So we're getting there, and we're just trying to make sure that we're insulating properly and then also not getting into our wires. So what's next is insulating the roof ceiling area, and then we will start working on getting the panels in. So coming along pretty nicely, and that's about it.